They said, first there was word. That means from total unmanifest existence, when it began to manifest, the first thing that happened was sound. Even the scientists agree, it was a big bang. A bang means a sound, right? In India, it's very beautifully expressed. The first and only one god who existed in that part of the world was Rudra. Rudra literally means one who roars, a roarer. So why they called him Rudra is, that is the beginning of creation, because it's a roar. The scientists call it a bang.